happen at some time during the year. No
Mm.
matter how things are going fine, no matter how it's great, things are just gonna start falling apart.
So my next question or a follow up question would be, is that us manifesting it because we're like, yo, same time, yo, thing gonna mash up, like, is that us like creating the loop, or is it us like basically leaning into it? What do you think?
Well, consciously, well, I think the loop is created subconsciously for
Mm.
whatever reason.
Mm.
Like, for example, all right, let me tell you. So, when for me growing up, September was like a very important month.
Yeah.
That's when you would change class. That
Yeah.
when school would start. That's
Yeah.
when you look forward to getting maybe a new shoes or
September?
whatever. Yeah, September.
Yo.
So I think that subconsciously I have this sense that okay, my rebirth is going to be